guys, Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. All right, today we're talking dairy swaps. If you watch my channel a lot, you know that as of November, I went all plant-based. So I haven't eaten dairy, sugar, meat, or eggs for probably 5 or 6 months. Candidly, I have to tell you this. The biggest difference that I personally found in my skin is when I went completely plant-based. A lot of leafy greens, vegetables, fruits, nuts, some whole grains, but pretty much all green. And if you like this type of a video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this particular video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps in my video rankings and I would greatly appreciate it. All right, so I want to show some quick, easy dairy swaps that you can integrate as you go dairy-free. So I love having like pizza every once in a while. That was kind of our treat around the house. And so, I wanted to find a topping for pizza that we liked that wasn't disgusting. A lot of people, have used this Daiya brand, D-A-I-Y-A, Daiya brand. Some people like it, some people don't. I will have to tell you that candidly, I am not that crazy about this particular brand of cheese. It doesn't melt that well, and it seems to have a little bit of an aftertaste. The one that I do like is this Violife. It tastes to me most like the shredded cheddar. Yeah, it's honestly, it's pretty darn good. It doesn't have kind of the punch of a sharp cheddar, but it does taste most like cheddar, and it has a pretty decent texture. So this is a good brand for a cheese. If you like creamer in your coffee, I've been using these nut pods. I don't know if you have tried these before, but these are actually pretty good. And you guys, none of these brands are sponsoring me. I just like to share with you. It's why I do what I do. These are nut pods. They are shelf stable, but there's no sugar added and they're dairy free. They have a nice kind of unctuous, creamy texture and mouthfeel to them, so that's why I like them. These are really good. There are also some really great recipes that you can make if you like Parmesan cheese that you can easily make in your house. And again, I'm a huge proponent of just making something simple in your home and eliminating things that are overly processed, that have a bunch of crap in it that you don't know what the ingredients are and you wouldn't find it in like somebody's traditional kitchen. But I made a vegan lasagna for my parents last week and they loved it. And you can make a Parmesan cheese just as simple as putting some cashews into a Vitamix with some nutritional yeast, a little bit of garlic powder, salt, giving it a whir, and it just comes out like chunky Parmesan. It's really delicious and there are tons of recipes out there for it. If you like a fettuccine Alfredo, and I mean, who doesn't? That was my favorite for years. It's basically heart attack on a plate. But they have some great Alfredo recipes too if you want to do that. It's some cashews that have been soaked, a little bit of vegetable broth, nutritional yeast, onion, and that's really good as well. I think that because so many people are going dairy-free nowadays, there are a ton of different options on the market space. Really anything that you want, you can either make it yourself or you can buy it. Okay, let's talk treats. So yesterday, because I had to take one for the team and do this for you, I wanted to find a good dairy-free ice cream for you because I know that a lot of people like ice cream, and sometimes when it's somebody's birthday, you want a special treat. All right, so I did 2 things. One, I found this brand called So Delicious, and I just tried these blind. This is their mint chocolate chip. I have to tell you, I did not like this. I found it to be really kind of odd and flaky. The taste is okay. It didn't have that really rich, creamy umptuousness that you want from an ice cream. And when I took it out or tried to get it out of the container, it was just kind of oddly flaky, almost like a snow cone ice. So I wouldn't particularly recommend that. The next one I tried is called New Wave Gelato, and this is their Carmelo Bliss. No added sugar and dairy-free. The other thing that I look for if I'm looking for something dairy-free, no added sugar, or very, very low added sugar. Because look, you can be dairy-free, but if it's got like 30 grams of sugar in a serving, which some of them do, no bueno. You can tell that I hated it. And yes, I ate that in one sitting. That's why I don't have this kind of stuff around the house, you guys. This is delicious. This is Carmelo. It is so good. This one, I highly, highly recommend. It has that deep, rich, caramely flavor to it. I was expecting just to take a bite of this and maybe not like it or kind of like it. You guys, this one I completely recommend. So those are good ice creams. Okay, and those are a few of my super simple dairy swaps. You guys, if you have any questions, comments, if there's something else that you'd like me to review or talk about, be sure to comment below. Subscribe to my channel or visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.